So, all my friends recently got night vision. One of them got a PBS 14, and the other one got a dual tube. I don't know what they call. And so I figured, well, they're all doing cool night stuff, and they're leaving me out. And so I figured, well, I don't have that much money, so what's the next best thing? Well, Modern Warfare. So I got myself one of the collector edition, Going Dark night vision. Now, I've played with the old Modern Warfare 2 one, and that one's okay, but this is way better. You can look up like reviews. It's kind of hard to explain or show how well it actually works, but it works very well. The only issue I have is, well, first of all, I don't like that it's got this proprietary headband, so you basically have to use it like it. And hey, get off. No. Anyways, like I was saying, I have two issues with this. The first one being the headband. It's proprietary, and you basically have to just wear it like this, so you can't really wear a helmet or a hat, or can't really, yeah, it's just kind of annoying, and it's also not very sturdy or useful. This battery box is also fake, so it's kind of just extra bulk of weight for no reason. The second thing is these lights. So you have a toggleable IR. These two big ones, they're IR bulbs that you can toggle. IR, you can't see. Real IR, you can't see them, but night vision can pick it up. But these four right here, while this unit can work just off passive, it always has these four red lights, and they're not even IR. They're like just red LED. They're very close to the spectrum, but they're still visible, so you can always see it. You basically can't do any real, stealth, because people are just going to see four dots. And if they have night vision, you're going to light up like a Christmas light, because what's the point? So first, I'm going to replace the mount. So with a Wilcox mount, this is a Wilcox shoe, and it will let me put it onto a Wilcox arm, and this will go directly onto the shoe on a helmet like this, and it'll let me mount it onto a helmet, or in my case, I want to mount it onto a nightcap, so I could just actually wear it better. But yeah, second, I want to replace these LEDs. So at first, I thought I could just replace the LED, which I could. I have some replacement LED. These are actual IR, so you can't see these light at all. But the more I think about it, since this isn't toggleable, if I just rewire to IR, it's still going to be on all the time. So if someone with night vision, I'm still going to light up. So, get out of here. I got these buttons. They're button cell battery holders with a toggle. So if I just mount it to the side, I should be able to just hit a button and turn them on and off. Because it's nice to have extra light, like, so you can look at stuff or read, but realistically speaking, if I'm just outside, especially if there's ambient light, what are you doing? 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 And then what are you doing now? Anyways, so here's a battery case. The idea is so I can just mount it, maybe Velcro, tape it, whatever, mount it onto the side. So I can just, here's an on-off switch, so I can just hit on, off to turn on and off the LEDs. So yeah, replacing the shoe should be easy, because that's just like cosmetic and external, but I'm kind of scared of opening it up. So, well, wish me luck. Alright, let's do this. So first I'm going to take the top off. Let's see. I think these will be a metric or standard. Let's try metric. Ha, first try. I'm good. Oh yeah, sorry, if you hear weird background noise, my roommates are watching a movie. Let's see, so let's take off these screws. I think this should just hold the here. Alright, I'm gonna keep this on for now. I'm gonna figure out later. Moment of truth. I'm gonna have to open this up. I'm kind of scared. Hopefully, I don't break it. So, here is the LED. So I'm gonna try to open this side first. And from the looks of it, this front panel. From the looks of it, this front panel, if I just take these I don't even know if they're real, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I just take these 5 hex screws off, I should be able to pull the whole front panel off, and then hopefully the LED assembly is just right there, and I can either just cut it or replace it, desolder, whatever. But we'll see. Disconnect these. Oops. Let's put the screws away. So that goes in the back. Wow, that's gonna be annoying. All the same screws. Okay, thank God they're all the same. I hate it when they have different screws. So it just looks like the LED is just, yeah, the LED unit's just right here, and it's just supplied by a single can I just, there's one of those I can just unplug. Put that. Oh. Okay. Oh God. I have to glue it in. Why would you do such a thing? Why would you glue this in? I mean, I kinda understand why, but like, that's dumb. I'm sorry. Oh God. I feel like alright. Cool. So, back's turn on. Now we're good. Alright, cool. So this is the only unit I care about right now. Let's give you a closer look. So here it is. Here's the front plate, and like as you can see, here's the LED assembly, and it's just powered by this. And there's no on-off, and that's why it's just hardwired into the system. When it turns on, this supplies the power and turns on all 4 LEDs. So now I'm gonna take this apart. So once I figure out how, looks like it's just a single screw, and I should be able to take the whole assembly out and replace it with these actual infrared LEDs. So yeah. Also, Gravy, say hi. No, go away. Go away. What are you doing? Aha. Well, that's the LED unit. Yeah. Okay. Now is the DIY part. Alright, so let me give you an update. I took the right piece off, cut off the top, so this originally went like this right here. This is just a fake lens. This one doesn't actually do anything. Took it off, put the battery holder here, and then drill 2 holes, ran the wire through, because I'm going to run the battery wire through this hole where the red LED originally came through into the main body. But now the reverse is going to happen, because I'm going to power these. Here's the actual IR LED, which I just made a replacement disc, right? But 2 instead of 4, because I don't need it to be that bright. So this is gonna go in here, screw it back on, and it should be, this will be self-powered by itself, or not self-powered, but it won't matter. I don't have to work with like the main unit. So now I am going to solder the two IR LEDs together and then connect it to the battery and hopefully have all set up by the end of shooting this. But yeah, I suck at soldering too. I can do it, but I'm not very good at it. But we'll see. Now, should I solder indoors with little to no ventilation? Probably not. But do I care? Not really. I get exposed to far worse things at work, so if I did this right, I should be able to see the light when I turn this on. And if I didn't, then I'm going to be extremely upset. Okay, let's see. So, it's booting up. Call of Duty Modern Warfare. Alright, cool. Come on. Moment of truth. Oh god, that's bright. Okay, it works! Ha! I am not stupid. Awesome! I wish I could show you. You know what? Maybe I could. Where's my GoPro? GoPro would be easier. Okay, so GoPro. Cool. Alright, so over one lens. I don't know if it's gonna work at all, but over one lens, and right here you see there are the two lights. So normally it's off right now. When I turn it on, yeah, look how bright it is. Woohoo! But if you look, nothing. Woohoo! Perfect. Alright, success. Now I just gotta, let's turn this off. I just gotta turn this off and then put this back on. I can't believe that worked I can't believe that worked perfectly. Dang. I am a genius. Cool. It doesn't even look that weird. A little bit, but whatever. So now, I took the mount off that goes onto this is the Modern Warfare one, the kind of the head strap. I'll figure out a use for this, I don't know. I'll make it a GoPro mount or something. But and then, now this is a Wilcox mount. A Wilcox shoe, single, like for like PVS 14s or whatnot. But here is the piece that goes on top. Normally, this will sit on top, you know, and then that's what connects to the Modern Warfare headband. But I took this piece off, so now I can put this up here. Once I mount that, I should be able to interface with I forgot what this is called. This is like a Wilcox arm. And actually, it sits in here. This is a NVG mount. Whatever, it's something for NVG mount. I can't remember. Anyways, yeah. So you're gonna tap a hole, put it in, screw, some glue, lots of glue, Loctite everything, put it back on. It should be done in a couple of hours.
2 hours later.
And last one. Cool. Put this back. Always gotta be organized. Okay, so moment of truth. I should be able to. Ha ha ha! Yeah. All right. Time to test it out. This is the way. Pew 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 pew. Ugh. Hey, get out of the way. Damn it. Shoo, shoo. So yeah, here we go. It's all set up. Now it goes on top of any mount, and I still have to mount it onto the Crite Precision nightcap, but I'll install that later. But for now, at least it works, and it goes on top a helmet or any night vision mount. So it's a little wobbly, so I'm trying to figure out how to fix that or deal with that. Not gonna be an issue. Maybe it will be. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I can shim it a little bit. I'll deal with that in a future episode. But yeah, for now it works pretty well. And then it definitely does work. Turn that on and off. So yeah, here's my new and improved night vision or Modern Warfare. Night vision. On the Mandalorian mask. Anyways, thanks for watching. If any questions, let me know. I'll try to answer them. Or if you want to like actually see it, I'll figure out a way of actually showing it in use. Not sure how I'm going to be able to do that. But yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching. And leave a comment, subscribe, whatever. I don't even know.